channel.
Today we will share information about around the sea world.
Let's explore the sea!
Cuttlefish. Cuttlefish or cuttles are marine mollusks of the order Cepida. They belong to the class Cephalopoda, which also includes squid, octopuses, and nautiluses. Cuttlefish have a unique internal shell, the cuttlebone, which is used for control of buoyancy. Cuttlefish have large, W-shaped pupils, 8 arms, and 2 tentacles furnished with denticulated suckers, with which they secure their prey. They generally range in size from 15 to 25 centimeters, the giant cuttlefish, reaching 50 centimeters in mantle length and over 10.5 kilograms in mass. Cuttlefish eat small mollusks, crabs, shrimp, fish, octopus, worms, and other cuttlefish. Their predators include dolphins, sharks, fish, seals, seabirds, humans, and other cuttlefish. The typical life expectancy of a cuttlefish is about 1 to 2 years. Studies are said to indicate cuttlefish to be among the most intelligent invertebrates. Cuttlefish also have one of the largest brain-to-body size ratios of all invertebrates. Fossil record. The cuttle in cuttlefish comes from the Old English name for the species. The Greco-Roman world valued the cuttlefish as a source of the unique brown pigment the creature releases from its siphon. The word for it in both Greek and Latin, sepia, now refers to the reddish-brown color sepia in English. Range and habitat. The family Cepheidae, which contains all cuttlefish, inhabits tropical and temperate ocean waters. They are mostly shallow water animals, although they are known to go to depths of about 600 meters. They have an unusual biogeographic pattern. They are present along the coasts of East and South Asia, Western Europe, and the Mediterranean, as well as all coasts of Africa and Australia, but are totally absent from the Americas. By the time the family evolved, the North Atlantic possibly had become too cold and deep for these warm water species to cross. The common cuttlefish is found in the Mediterranean, North and Baltic Seas, although populations may occur as far as South Africa. They are found in sublittoral depths, between the low tide line and the edge of the continental shelf, to about 180 meters. The cuttlefish is listed under the Red List category of Least Concern by the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species. This means that while some overexploitation of the marine animal has occurred in some regions, due to large-scale commercial fishing, their wide geographic range prevents them from being too threatened. However, caused largely by higher levels of carbon dioxide emitted into the atmosphere, is cited as a potential threat. Visual system. Cuttlefish, like other cephalopods, have sophisticated eyes. The organogenesis and the final structure of the cephalopod eye fundamentally differ from those of vertebrates. Superficial similarities between cephalopod and vertebrate eyes are thought to be examples of convergent evolution. Although cuttlefish cannot see color, they can perceive the polarization of light, which enhances their perception of contrast. They have 2 spots of concentrated sensor cells on their retinas, one to look more forward, and one to look more backward. The eye changes focus by shifting the position of the entire lens with respect to the retina, instead of reshaping the lens as in mammals. Unlike the vertebrate eye, no blind spot exists, because the optic nerve is positioned behind the retina. They are capable of using stereopsis, enabling them to discern depth, distance because their brain calculates the input from both eyes. The cuttlefish's eyes are thought to be fully developed before birth, and they start observing their surroundings while still in the egg. In consequence, they may prefer to hunt the prey they saw before hatching. Circulatory system. The blood of a cuttlefish is an unusual shade of green-blue, because it uses the copper-containing protein hemocyanin to carry oxygen instead of the red, iron-containing protein hemoglobin found in vertebrates' blood. The blood is pumped by 3 separate hearts. 2 branchial hearts pump blood to the cuttlefish's pair of gills. Cuttlefish blood must flow more rapidly than that of most other animals because hemocyanin carries substantially less oxygen. Unlike most other mollusks, cephalopods like cuttlefish have a closed circulatory system. Ink. Like other marine mollusks, cuttlefish have ink stores that are used for chemical deterrence and evasion when attacked. Its composition results in a dark-colored ink, rich in ammonium salts and amino acids that may have a role in phagomimicry defenses. The ink can be ejected to create a smoke screen to hide the cuttlefish's escape. Or it can be released as a pseudomorph of similar size to the cuttlefish, acting as a decoy while the cuttlefish swims away. Human use of this substance is wide-ranged. A common use is in cooking with squid ink to darken and flavor rice and pasta. It adds a black tint and a sweet flavor to the food. In addition to food, cuttlefish ink can be used with plastics and staining of materials. The diverse composition of cuttlefish ink, and its deep complexity of colors, allows identification of its color. Cuttlefish ink can be used to make non-iridescent reds, blues, and greens, subsequently used for biomimetic colors and materials.
Thanks for watching this video.
Don't forget to like,
Comment,
share,
and subscribe this channel.
See you later.